Today we are tackling a common issue in Excel, the dreaded div0 error, popularly known as the division error. So let's dive in and learn how to solve this error. Now, this div0 error occurs when a formula tries to divide by 0, which in mathematics is undefined. So this error can happen if the divisor in your formula is 0 or if the cell reference is empty. So we're going to look at few scenarios that cause these errors and how we can fix them. So, like I said earlier, this error occurs when you're dividing a particular number by 0. So let's take a number 10 and another number 0. So as usual, if you want to divide, you use your divisor symbol. So first and foremost, I imputed my equals to sign. I tap on 10, my divisor symbol. I type of what I'm trying to divide it by, and I press my enter column, and there you have it. The error name div0 appears. Why? Because the formula has 0 as the denominator. Now, how do we tackle this error? How do we get rid of it? We get rid of it using the if error function. All I have to do is to come to the cell having that error, and I type in my equals to, I click on my if error, and it tells me the value. I click on 10, I impute my divisor symbol, I click on 0, my comma, and then the value if error. So the value that it should display if is actually an error. So I put in 10. I close my brackets and I press enter key, and that error has vanished. So that is how you do it. You use your if error function. So the if error function is used to handle and resolve errors in Excel formulas by providing an alternative when an error occurs. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you learned something, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.